I'm Sally. I'm here today to show you how to remove the baseboards from your room. The first thing that you will need is a utility knife. You will also need a flexible joint knife and a pry bar or a crowbar. So the first step is you will need to use your utility knife right in the corner. And what you do is you cut, and then you also cut right at the very edge of the baseboard where the caulk is. Go all the way across. And the reason you do this is to loosen the baseboard. Now what you do is you use your pry bar and lift up gently. Now this is really good when you have concrete floor. You may not be able to do this when you have linoleum or hardwood floor, so be very, very careful. Just keep doing this. And as you can see, it's lifting up. And what you use the joint knife for is to protect your drywall. But you can see how it's starting to pull out from the wall. Okay, so now when you're lifting up, see how it's really moving? And if it doesn't attach or detach, what you can do is push down right here on the pry bar. But see how it's already coming apart? So just simply pull it out. And personally, I don't need to save the baseboard, but if you want to save it, then just go ahead and continue all the way through. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that it was very helpful. Please watch my other videos for more how to do it yourself so that you can save money. And again, I hope this was very helpful. Thank you and have a blessed day.